everyone, and welcome back to Miss Wow. Today, we're talking about something super important for a special day, Mother of the Bride dresses. We're focusing on the elegant sheath style and the perfect T length. This combination is a fantastic choice for many moms out there. It offers comfort and a really sophisticated look. Let's dive in and see some beautiful options that are sure to make you shine at the wedding. So what exactly is a sheath dress? It's a dress that fits pretty closely to your body, from your shoulders all the way down. It gives a nice sleek and long look. It's not usually baggy, but it's not super tight either. This style is great because it can be dressed up or down, and it looks good on many different body types, making you feel confident and beautiful. Now let's talk about T length. This means the hem of the dress falls somewhere between your knee and your ankle, usually mid-calf. It's a very popular length for Mother of the Bride dresses because it's formal enough for a wedding, but also really easy to move around in. You won't have to worry about tripping over a long gown, which is a big plus for dancing and greeting guests. When you combine a sheath style with T length, you get a dress that is both classy and practical. Imagine looking elegant and feeling comfortable throughout the entire wedding day. This style is also great for showing off some pretty shoes, which is always a bonus. It's a look that says, "I'm here to celebrate and look fabulous doing it." Finding the right fabric is also key for a sheath T-length dress. You'll want something that drapes nicely and feels good against your skin. Common choices include lace, chiffon, and even some stretchy blends that offer extra comfort. Think about the season of the wedding when choosing your fabric. Lighter fabrics are good for summer, and slightly heavier ones for cooler weather. Accessorizing your sheath mother of the bride dress is where you can really make it your own. A nice necklace, some elegant earrings, and a clutch bag can really complete your look. Think about the colors of the wedding and try to choose accessories that complement your dress and the overall theme. A little sparkle can go a long way. We hope this video helped you understand more about sheath mother of the bride dresses in T-length. Remember, the best dress is one that makes you feel amazing. You can find some beautiful options by checking out the Amazon affiliate links in the description below. If you purchase through these links, I'll earn a small commission, and it won't cost you anything extra. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Miss Wow.